Starting around 11 November 2023, Bitgert truly is exchanging at $0.00000017 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in truly most recent 1 hour in a genuinely significant manner, which is very critical. Brise sort of has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $68,276,590, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,929,986 in every practical sense, huge way. This in a real sense explicitly makes Bitgert, Brise, sort of especially positioning at 368 in the digital currency market in a huge way. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert in a real sense be truly worth in 2023, which certainly is very huge. Is Bitgert an essentially wise venture or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious way in a significant manner? Will Brise cost explicitly generally outperform its unsurpassed high, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking, which is very huge? These truly are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking, which in every practical sense is very critical. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost certainly explicitly is supposed to actually for the most part cross a kind of especially normal value level of $0.00000035, the normal pretty least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to be $0.00000034. Which especially is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Brise can by and large explicitly arrive at an especially truly greatest value level of $0.00000038, which especially is very critical in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Bitgert in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000032 in an especially most certainly huge manner. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.00000031 in an unpretentious manner incredibly. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. Bitgert value sort of for the most part is supposed to in every way that really matters reach between $0.00000031 to $0.00000034 in September 2023, while the in every way that really matters normal cost of Brise for the September in a real sense basically remains around $0.00000032 Bitgert, Brise, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000032 and $0.00000035, or so they certainly in every way that really matters, thought. While the especially most certainly normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.00000033, showing how might Brise cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking high in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way. Bitgert value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the genuinely greatest cost for Bitgert could fundamentally basically stretch around $0.00000037 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 in every practical sense is $0.00000034 with a typical cost of $0.00000035 in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert value gauge December 2023. The extremely normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could really go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023. Essentially further appearance how Bitgert value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the very greatest cost for Bitgert could generally stretch around $0.00000037, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Brise could essentially certainly be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.00000038 with the in every way that really matters least expected cost of $0.00000034, which in a real sense is genuinely critical, which is genuinely huge. Bitgert genuinely passed value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been essentially diminished by 0.05% in its by and large truly current worth, showing how Bitgert value conjecture December 2023, the sort of especially normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, might generally especially go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023. Most certainly kind of additional appearance how Bitgert value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the fundamentally greatest cost for Bitgert could in every way that really matters stretch around $0.00000037, which especially is genuinely critical. Assuming we fundamentally generally look at the truly current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can essentially see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down. Reasonably further appearance how Brise certainly has a truly all-out market cap of $68,276,590, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,929,986, which fundamentally is very huge. From essentially absolute most recent 7 days, the Brise generally was in every practical sense great vertical pattern and expanded by 6.86%, which by and large is very critical. Bitgert for the most part generally has shown areas of strength for essentially lovely potential recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and truly put resources into an unobtrusive way in a huge manner fundamentally. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise truly diminished by 64.785%, dispensing with an incredible certainly normal amount of $0.00000032 from its especially current worth in a by and large significant manner, which is very critical. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a sort of kind of good, essentially truly purchase an open door for extremely fast venture, demonstrating the way that Brise could actually fundamentally be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of $0.00000038, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.00000034. Really in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitgert value estimate 2023 facts what will explicitly be Bitgert by and large worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. The Brise cost generally is estimated to arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0.00000038 with in every way that really matters, least cost of $0.00000034 toward the finish of 2023. Exhibiting how explicitly generally is Bitgert a wise speculation or most certainly extremely worth purchasing in 2023 in a by and large certainly significant manner. Does Bitgert especially have a future in a fundamentally significant manner? As far as value, Bitgert explicitly has an exceptional in every way that really matters.